another video. Today I'm making chili, my famous family's recipe of chili. So it's basically kind of like vegan chili. Yeah, vegan chili. So today, what the ingredients that you're gonna need, well, before we do the ingredients part, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below the part of the video. Give me some recipe tips if you guys want me to try out or anything like that, all that good stuff. And don't forget to hit that little bell to be notified when I post a video. And let's get into this video right quick. Okay, first things you're gonna need is obviously a pot, some beans. You got yourself black beans, kidney beans, pinto beans. You got white kidney beans also, and diced tomatoes and peppers from a can. You're also gonna need bottles of water. I got 2 because it's gonna be like not that big of a pot of chili. So you're gonna need your 2 bean waters. We like to drink Aquafina because Aquafina is the best water we like to taste. You're gonna definitely need yourself some seasonings. I got some chili powder, oregano leaves, seasoning, which is basically a bunch of blends of seasonings that's all together, salt and pepper, and last but not least of seasonings, parsley. And also you're gonna need some real thyme. You're gonna need thyme for this. Not time as watch. Time as the least. You're gonna need more beans. Well, I got red beans right here. You're gonna need yourself some chicken broth. And last but not least, you're going to need some ground plant-based meat. Okay, so first off, you want to take all your containers of your beans and you're going to take them to the sink and drain them. So I'm not going to do that part for this video because I don't want you guys to be bored and all that stuff. So I'm going to do these off camera, so I'll be right back when the beans are all dried out. Okay, cuties, we're back. All of our beans have been drained, yeah. And so has our peppers. They have all been drained out of the juices. Now we're going to dump them all into the pot. Make sure you get everything in there. Make it a big batch. Now you can have someone come and get those cans and throw them aside. Now we're going with our chicken broth. Make sure you shake up your chicken broth beforehand. Okay. Now you're gonna pour at least half of it if you're like a new box, but this box has already been opened, so we're just gonna pour a lot of it. That's good enough. Then we're gonna set that aside and start adding our seasons. So I'm gonna go with our pepper and salt. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit, just enough to cover the top, so you can see how much you need to keep adding. Okay, cuties, I'm gonna add in some thyme. As you can see, I'm gonna throw a whole stick in there. And while that's cooked, this thyme started making giving that more of that flavor. It brings all the flavors that I have put in before, combine them, and makes it more good. I'm hungry. So now you're gonna stir this up from the bottom so the bottom doesn't stick. And then you're just gonna let this cook on 10. And then you come back and add your other bottle of water so you can make it like a big old batch. And once you finish with that, We're just gonna let it cook for at least good 15 minutes before we come back and add the rest of our ingredients. So, be right back. Also, don't forget to add in more seasonings throughout the stirring process and waiting. So you can also have like all the flavors combining again and keeps the flavor going too. Here it is after like I would say 10 minutes of cooking, and now it has like given more of a still liquidy, not as a saucy, but starting to form as a sauce. I added more beans to it because it was like still a little bit less beans, so I added more beans. And now you're going to add more of your seasoning in. So I'm gonna add all my seasonings back onto it. So I'm gonna start with the pepper, then work my way back. And now you're gonna mix it all back in, and you're gonna let this sit longer than 15 minutes. So you're gonna let this sit till it start getting more thick and soft. Okay, cuties, we're back, and it's more thick now. It's thicker than it was before. Now you're gonna add some of the ground beef. Now you're gonna add some of the ground beef in it. It's already been added because my sister over here wants to add it in. She's totally impatient like I am. So I'm gonna add the ground beef to it, and then hopefully we can start adding hopefully we can serve this to our judges. So let me add the ground beef for a sec. Okay, cuties, I added in. I'm just gonna let those cook for a bit, but it's not gonna take that long, so. Woo-wee. It is foggy. Now we're gonna put our good chili into the bowls. So let me take this off the pan real quick. Bon appetit! And that's it, cuties. This is our famous vegan chili. Now all you gotta do is serve this to your lovely family and let them enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video, cuties. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below which part of the video you like. Comment down below if you guys want to change this recipe, or do you want to add something to it. Let me know. We can have a discussion about that in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit that little bell to be notified when I post a video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, cuties!
No, it's not funny.
You burned your hand on that chili?
Yeah, because you handed it to me like you're some crazy person or something.
You handed it?
Okay, I'll try it. I already tried it, and I know it's good.
Yeah, because you want to sneak in and grab some.
Yeah, so... yeah, it's so good. No.
Nah. No, I know, I hold it. I have to carry the pot. Yeah, that was your brother.
Here, I'm gonna try it. Just a little bit, because...
It's hot.
Look at it.
It's...
Can you see the steam coming off of it?
No. Don't stop playing too much. You got a gray shirt on.
It's good.
Mm-hmm.
It's really good, but it's really hot. Oh, it's really good. Next contestant, go.
I should not do that.
Mm-hmm. So over there.
Stir.
Yeah, turn. Well, they had this chili before. I don't know why I'm recording their reactions to the chili. Like, they had it.
Yeah.
It's hot.
Mm-hmm. I'm using a fork like a pro. I like it. It's hot, but I love it when it's hot.
Mm.
Why do you keep doing this? Every time you just like, I'm going to stare until you say, go mind your own food, and go eat your own food.
Or go mind your business.
Yeah, I was about to say that, but I like, no.
Okay, kids, you're gonna get my reaction of my chili. This junk's gonna be hot. Hot!
Told you it's gonna be hot.
Oh, it's hot. Okay. It's good though. It's good. It's good. Hot. Make sure you didn't get my hair. But it's bomb, kitties. Even the dog likes it. Right, Titi? He wants my food. But it's good, so this is definitely one for the books. So definitely try it. Definitely try it. Try it out. And so definitely try it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below what part of the video you like. Don't forget to hit that little bell to be notified when I post a video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, kitties!